Meme coins are taking the crypto world by storm in 2024, especially those built on the lightning-fast Solana blockchain. Solana meme coins are making waves with their unique themed projects, ultra-low transaction fees, and a community-first vibe. Solana's high-speed ecosystem has attracted investors of all kinds, with decentralized exchanges making trades seamless. Now might be the perfect time to explore the top Solana meme coins. Curious about which meme coins could 10 times your portfolio? Let's dive into the projects redefining trends in the crypto market. 1. Dogwifat. Our first coin is Dogwifat. Known for explosive gains, this coin launched in late 2023 and has surged over 3,000%, reaching an all-time high of $485. Dogwifat. This community-driven token is not just a meme, it's a vibe. From raising $700,000 to display their mascot on the Las Vegas Sphere to launching a fun hat generator, WIF has captured hearts and wallets. Currently trading at $256, it ranks number 36 on CoinMarketCap, with a market cap exceeding $2.5 billion. Second, Popcat. From viral internet fame to crypto success, Popcat transformed its meme magic into a community-owned coin in December 2023. It's grown 8,000%, reaching an all-time high of $154. With an engaged community and a live price of $135, Popcat ranks 56, boasting a $1.4 billion market cap. 3. Cat in a Dog's World. This one's for the contrarians. A cat-themed meme coin standing out in a dog-dominated space. MEW has partnered with South Korean animators to create a 3D series, giving its brand an entertainment edge. With its unique tech and captivating story, MEW is clawing its way up the charts. 4. Bonk. Unlike most meme coins, Bonk offers real utility. From rewarding NFT stakers to introducing BonkSwap and a DAO for voting, this coin is more than just a joke. Partnering with a major football club and launching the first Solana-based meme coin, ETP, makes Bonk a trailblazer. Currently ranked number 49, with a price of 0.00002375, Bonk could be the meme coin of the year. Remember, meme coins are a wild ride. Expect volatility and do your research. Whether you're here for the memes or the potential gains, always invest wisely. Before you go, don't miss our next video. Check out the links on the screen and subscribe to the channel for the latest updates in crypto and join the Telegram channel.